Ritchie-Parker and I'm from the Royal Zoological Society of Scotland. We are a conservation charity and I am situated within the Wild Genes team. We use genetic analysis to inform on species of conservation concern. We then translate that into information for conservation practitioners, to government organisations, charities and zoos both at home and across the world. We've been working with the Org1 part of Oxford Nanopore. They provide resources to assemble reference genomes for species. For us, there are some reference genomes available, but often they haven't had long sequencing reads in them, which means that the genome is broken up into much smaller pieces, and that's where having the Oxford Nanopore long sequencing reads is really helpful.